Hey, Laramie County, I'm Carey Hartmann, the Laramie County Librarian, and the Summer Reading Challenge is set to start on June 1st at Laramie County Library System. You can help children retain all of the wonderful things they've learned this school year by encouraging them to read all through the summer. And you can model how valuable reading is by challenging yourself to read through the summer. We have an amazing new online platform that will make taking that challenge really easy. To imagine your story, go to the library's website on Monday, June 1st or after, and click on the green dragon and get started. And parents, a tip for you, register yourself first, and then it's really easy just to add your family members. Don't have an access to a smartphone or to a computer? Call the libraries in Cheyenne, Burns, or Pine Bluffs, and we'll be glad to do it all for you. You'll earn badges, collect tickets, enter into drawings, and keep at it to earn that final prize package that will include a book for children and teens and some other really nice goodies for adults. Until the library opens, you have access to the library materials by placing a hold and doing curbside pickup once your items are available. We also have a fun challenge for you this summer. If you don't know what to read though, our librarians can help you get material. You can call them, tell them what topics your children like or what you like to read, and they can assist you in finding new authors and new things to read and then placing those holds for you. And then as the summer goes on, we'll have some amazing virtual challenges for you so that it will keep your learning exciting and continue to keep you curious and looking for adventure all through the summer. So join the Summer Reading Challenge 2020 at your library and imagine your story this summer.